Okay. What's up, YouTube and Ustream? So, anyway, PlayStation Network has been down now for 8, 9 days. I'm having game withdrawal. So anyway, I went to their website, which I will post in the description below about the press release, which you can read it there, of how they're going to restore the online gameplay across the PlayStation 3, PS3, and the PSP portable systems. This is including requiring online verification and download games. They're going to return on their stupid music thing. Who cares about that? Access to account management and password reset, which you're going to have to reset your password now because they consider it as compromised. Everybody's going to force everybody to reset your password. But that's fine. I don't care. Access to downloadable unexpired movie rentals on PS3, PSP, and Media Go, PlayStation Home, friend and chat function. Now they're working closely with several outside security firms to basically implement security measures and furthermore detect unauthorized activities, providing our consumers with better protection in their personal information. Okay, that's fun. And let's go down and get to the part what I like. Well, um, where does it say that? Okay. Additional welcome back entertainment service offering will be rolling out the coming weeks as company returns to policy and blah 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 blah. Okay, now this is what I like. Each 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 territory will be offering a selected PlayStation Entertainment content for one free download. I don't know what's going to be. It said selected. I see. Specified details of this content will be announced in the region soon. All all existing PlayStation customers will be provided with 30 days free membership of the PlayStation Plus Premium service. Awesome. Kick ass. Current members of PlayStation Plus will receive 30 days free of service. Music unlimited powered by city subscribers and country services available will receive 30 days free of service. And who cares about that? Additional welcome back entertainment and services offerings will be rolled out over coming weeks. Basically, you can read the crap yourself. So, I will post it in the description down below. So, I hope that the moon and the stars and the suns are perfectly aligned. PlayStation Network will be up and running in a few days, maybe by tomorrow. Cross fingers. So, later, peace. I'm out. Subscribe to my channel. Post comments down below. I'm out.